week 2 of how to create your nice flow. So last week we were focusing on how to walk around the pool. Now this week you're going to start learning transitions, not even spins yet, just some sort of transitions, okay? So the first one is step around and walk combination. So let's just learn the step around first, okay? So step around, got obviously millions of ways to do. I normally teach first the most dramatic version, the biggest one, because it's always easier to take back, but it's really hard to make it big, okay? So let's just make it a drama queenie version, okay? So I'm gonna step down, make a nice big circle, and then I'm gonna basically land where I started. So when we do step around, we do create quite a big momentum with this variation. So you need to step with your inside leg, whichever hand is on the top. The inside leg steps quite close to the pole, but you're trying to lean away as far as you can. Again, you don't really have to let go of the floor with your feet, so you keep it nice and smooth, but you're trying to create a big circle. So you hold it onto the pole, you step down, and you feel it really lean away. Now that's going to be quite slow. And that's going to be the tipping point when you start generally free falling around the pole. You look away first, and as you feel that you're going to start falling, you're going to look at the pole and just let your body dip, okay? And you're going to end up where you started. So always try to do a big circle around the pole, not just a cute little half step, okay? So I show you from the back. I'm going to step down quite close, maybe a gentle soften the knee. I'm going to go step, open, boom, and out. Now as soon as you put your outside leg down, your inside leg, look, your inside leg is going to go out. So I put all my body weight on my outside leg, so my inside leg can, look, coming up. Yeah? Now again, this is something you can practice for hours. Try to make it big. Feel that you play with the speed and trying to like lean away and create this nice shape. So look, I'm really leaning away and fall, okay? Again, with the hand, trying to keep it rigid on the side, yeah? So try to avoid that feel quite like a statue and you hold it. Let it go, look, just let it flow, okay? Normally what I do, but again, it's kind of my style, I like to go lean out with it. So I'm gonna like zipping up my hoodie, okay? So I'm gonna go lean and drop, okay? Because normally where your head and shoulder and arm go, your body follows. So I'd like to kind of prep the space in front of me and then show you where I'm going, okay? Let's just practice step around for a lot of time, yeah? Lots, and I mean it. And then make it big, because later on, again, it's gonna depend on the music you're gonna use. If it's something like a really heartbroken and cute and flowy, you might not do big. You might want to do big, like a slower control. It's still a step around, but it's more about gently shifting your body weight around the pole than make it like a big, dramatic, fly step, okay? And then you can play with this for lots. So find your own variations. I'm not going to show because it's literally limitless, but find your own variations. Find that maybe you want to go a bit deeper with your step around, yeah? Or maybe just want to go a very gentle, smooth little turn, or legs that want to be straight, yeah? So just find your own version of the step around. But first, make it look big, make it look dramatic, and really feel that, again, you create momentum and you create speed variations. So you start slow, fast, yeah? And then when you feel this and you're quite confident, that's when your head can play more as well. So again, where the head going, so your body going, so feel that your head is following the movement. And then you can start flipping your hair around, okay? So practice this a good couple of times. times. And then when you feel that, okay, my walks are great and my step arounds are great, that's when we're gonna put it together. Let's have a look at our walk and step around combo, okay? First, I'm gonna keep it super simple. Walking forward, step around forward, down, okay? So I'm gonna first use my step and shift or step and slide technique. So I'm gonna go step and slide, step and slide, step around, okay? Practice it, just really basic, because it's already, if you do it right and simple but beautiful, you already got a very good start towards your flows, okay? So when you make your own flow, do something you're really comfortable with, you're really strong with, because later on those moves are going to become different and different. Now just see when I say I want to do one change with my direction and then do a step around, okay? So say I start again, I walk, step and slide, and I will turn, step and slide, turn, step around, yeah? So you can play with this walk, or you probably see when people kind of do this like crosswalk. So you go step and slide, step and slide, or just using the hips. You don't even have to move the legs. Step and hip, step, reach, step around. Yeah? So again, you've got so many variations you can do with this. And then you can do obviously a smaller step around, or literally a step around is almost like a step, look. Step around, yeah? So you can go backwards as well with a step around. Obviously with walk, try not to go backwards, unless you literally go like, say step forward and back, that's fine. But please try not to walk backwards, it might not look as good as we think. But with the step around though, you can go backwards. So one is when you go dip forward, and then dip back. But it's generally a backward step around. When you're stepping around the pole with your outside leg, and you're trying to step behind you, and the ball gonna end up between your legs. So it's literally the same as forward, just a bit more funny, because if you don't feel you've got a good grip on top hand, you might slide off and fly away a little bit. So just make sure that you feel quite secure, which I really don't. I've got really slippery hands at the moment. So feel that you really use momentum, you really create distance between you and the pole, and you're gonna go behind it. And then you can go forward, yeah? So just play with it, play with variations. Record it, use the mirror, and if you're not happy with it, if you don't see that fluidity, you kind of see that you still got some bits, it's not 100%, just go back and practice again, yeah? Because you want to create beautiful flows by yourself, okay? And not just do something, you finally want to step up, so give it time, because that hour practice gonna literally help you with your whole journey, okay? But if you just do quickly because you want to get through with it, you're never really gonna have those beautiful flowy details.